Hi there. In this video, we will cover attaching products to labour units. First, open up labour units under the Jobs section. Let's have a look at a bronze service labour unit. Click Edit on the right-hand side to open this up. Scroll down to the Attached Products section. Here we can add the products you require to be attached. For a bronze service, let's add in some oil as well as an oil filter. When added, the page will show a green confirmation bar at the top. Now then, let's have a look at this job. Scroll down to Labour Units. Type in bronze service and then click Add Labour Unit. This should then pull through the products we have just attached. And there we have it. The products are automatically assigned once the labour unit is added to the job. Thanks for watching. Be sure to use this easy method to attach products to labour units. If you found this helpful, do check out our other videos for more useful tips. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help centre to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.